Why do HVAC systems fail during the hottest days of the year? HVAC systems often fail because extreme heat makes them run longer and harder, exposing weak parts, poor maintenance, airflow problems, and electrical issues. On very hot days, your air conditioner may run almost non-stop because the indoor temperature is far above the thermostat setting. Long operating hours put extra stress on the compressor, fan motors, wiring, and capacitors, which help the motors start and keep running. A dirty air filter blocks airflow, so the system works harder while moving less cool air. Dust on the outdoor coil also traps heat, making it difficult for the system to release warmth outside. Low refrigerant can cause weak cooling and may lead to ice forming on the indoor coil, which blocks airflow even more. One lesser-known problem is that a weak capacitor may work during mild weather but fail when high temperatures make its electrical job harder. You can reduce the risk by replacing clogged filters, keeping plants and objects away from the outdoor unit, gently rinsing dirt from its coil when the power is off, and arranging professional maintenance before the hottest season. If the system makes unusual noises, blows warm air, or repeatedly shuts off, turn it off and have it checked instead of forcing it to run. A common mistake is setting the thermostat much lower than normal, which does not cool the house faster and can keep the system overloaded, so lower it gradually and keep doors and windows closed. Another mistake is ignoring a dirty filter because the air still feels cool. Check it monthly during heavy use, since restricted airflow can damage the system. Some people also pour water on a hot outdoor unit while it is running, but that can create electrical danger, so shut off power and call a qualified technician for serious overheating or leaks. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.